Hello everyone, I am Nasir and you are watching my channel Nasir the Explainer. I am here with a new episode including a new video and a new topic I will discuss for information. Today I am going to give you a brief introduction on Bitcoin, which is considered the world's first decentralized currency, digital currency of the world. Before we start our topic, we must discuss the drawbacks of the physical currency. Like paper money has no value outside the parent country. Like paper money may have possibly the damages due to wear and tear. Paper money may have the risk to be banned by the government. International transactions are very difficult involving the paper currency. Digital transactions like ATMs, like online transactions, banks are most involved in that digital transactions. Again, there are some issues involving the international transactions. For example, a person must have a bank account for the international transaction. For example, a high rate of taxes are involved on the international transactions. Now we proceed further in the topic. The main question is that what is Bitcoin? The answer is that Bitcoin is a digital currency. Bitcoin is considered as the first decentralized digital currency. Bitcoin basically a digital file over the internet in a computer, and a copy of this digital file is maintained on every computer over the network. If a person wants to have a Bitcoin account and Bitcoin currency in his account, he simply have to a smartphone with ability to operate the account and a account with the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin was invented by an anonymous programmer named Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008 by publishing his paper named Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. In 2012, India started to exchange with Bitcoin, and in 2013, first Bitcoin ATM was launched in California. If we discuss the features of the Bitcoin, Bitcoin don't need the involvement of any third party. Bitcoin involves minimal transaction charges. Bitcoin, as it is a global currency, no single person, no single organization, no single country is its real owner, so no one can shut down it anywhere. Only 21 million bitcoins can be mined in total, and 16.5 millions have already been mined. If we discuss how Bitcoin transaction works, how Bitcoin are generated, then the answer is that it involves a complex type of mathematical operations and mathematical transactions, mathematical calculations to be operated, to be mined. So here is a screenshot from Google search showing the value of 1 Bitcoin in BKR, and this value of 1 Bitcoin is really eye-opener. Now the question is that can we really trust Bitcoin? What are its advantages? I try to answer the question with the help of the following points. Bitcoin is open source and transparent. No government, no single person, no organization is the single owner of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin network is never hacked up till now, and payments are very fast. Now it's time to discuss the dark side of the Bitcoin. There is no customer support. It involves the involvement of high mathematical calculation system, so you have to be aware before start trading. Also, there is no banking system is involved. Also, there is no physical backup of gold or any reserve like physical currency. Again, there is a complex wallet system credentials involved, which if you lose any credential, you may lose all your bitcoins permanently. Here are some quotes about Bitcoin from the co-creators of Facebook and PayPal. These quotes may help you to understand more. Thanks for watching, and this is the final disclaimer that Bitcoin investments are purely subjected to market risk, and if you want to start investment in Bitcoin, so start at your own risk. I am not responsible for any damages incurred due to watching this video. This video is purely an informational video. It is not a motivational video. Please like, comment and share my video. And if you found my video very informative and entertaining, please subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.